To begin, open the Facebook Messenger app on your phone. Then tap the three-line menu in the bottom right corner. On the next page, navigate to Settings. Swipe up to scroll down. Then under Preferences, select Privacy and Safety. Swipe up to scroll down again, and find the section called Who Can Reach You. Then tap Restricted Profiles. Now tap the person icon with a plus sign in the top right corner. All your friends' names will appear in the list. You can scroll through the list to find the person you want to restrict, or use the search bar to quickly find them. Read the information about what happens after restricting the person, then tap the Restrict button to confirm. The person will be added to your restricted profiles list. Their messages will be moved to your message requests, and they won't be able to see your active status or read receipts. To unrestrict someone, simply tap their name from the list. Then tap the info icon in the top right corner. Under the Privacy and Support section, tap Unrestrict. The person will be removed from your restricted profiles list, and they will be able to see your active status and read receipts again. Restricting someone lets you limit their interactions with you, while keeping your connection without blocking them. And that's how you can easily restrict or unrestrict someone on Facebook Messenger.